Hey everyone, Steven here with Umax, and today I'm going to walk you through a live demonstration of the EinStar 2 handheld 3D scanner. In this demo, we'll look at how using just 3 marker domes can dramatically improve tracking stability when scanning challenging geometry. First, a sharp edge object, and second, a cylindrical object with minimal surface features. These are 2 very common real-world scanning scenarios where marker domes can make a big difference. For this first scan, we're working with a sharp edge object. Objects like this include strong corner transitions and flat faces, which can sometimes interrupt tracking if there isn't enough surrounding geometry. To stabilize tracking, I'm placing 3 marker domes evenly around the object. These domes act as reference anchors, so the scanner can maintain positioning as we move around the part. I'm starting the scan from the front corner of the object. You'll notice the scanner immediately locks onto both the object and the marker domes. This helps maintain continuous alignment as we capture sharp transitions. As I move across the edges here, the domes help prevent tracking loss that sometimes happens with flat geometry. This allows us to capture crisp edge definition across the entire surface. Flat surfaces typically provide fewer tracking features, but the marker domes keep everything stable. As I continue around the backside, tracking remains locked because the scanner is referencing both geometry and marker position. And there's our sharp edge scan. You can see the corners are clean and continuous with no tracking interruptions. For the second example, we're scanning a cylindrical object because the surface repeats uniformly and doesn't provide unique tracking features.